Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. And obviously, as they are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. On one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of your person, and then the most likely outcome. Okay, and yeah, please feel free to swap the characters and pick your sides according to your situation. So, two cards. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, we have the Ace of Swords and the Queen of Swords on your side. Your person is the Four of Pentacles. The most likely outcome is the Six of Pentacles. So as for now, according to these three cards, though I'll be taking the clarifiers, what I feel here is there is a new beginning over here. You are very clear in your mind that you want a new beginning with this person, but what I feel here is that you are a little bit not opening up that much, perhaps a little bit cold or detached sort of, but you are compassionate deep within. It's not that you are not compassionate deep within, but the thing is that you are being a little strict or sort of detached or cold, not opening up that much for some reason. Let's see what that reason is. But you are in your own power. You are pretty sitting cool and happy in your own power. And here with the Four of Pentacles, what I feel here is that this person is holding the cards to themselves. This person is not showing their emotions at all. They have all the cards to themselves. And that is why perhaps you are also behaving like this, though it started off, it was a new beginning, started off pretty good perhaps. But you have also started being a little cold and detached because this person is not opening up at all. And as the mutual outcome, as for now in this scenario, is the Six of Pentacles. Things need to be balanced. That's what I feel. It needs to be sorted out. There has to be an equal give and take. There has to be some sort of balance in the relationship which needs to be made for it to flourish. Let's see what are the clarifiers now. Capricorns, on your side we have, oh my god, we have the Devil, we have the Hermit, the major cards, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, see what's there on your person side. I'm not able to. Okay, yeah. So we have the King of Pentacles, we have the Sun, and we have the Six of Wands. Okay, and let's see what is the most likely outcome. We have the King of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. I don't know, I'll see if I need some more clarifiers. Let's see how it proceeds. So here on your side we have the Devil, we have the Hermit, and we have the Ace of Wands. Yeah. So what I feel here is that there is something which you know has to be corrected within you. In your nature, in your psyche, you have to go within, and that's what perhaps you are doing or you need to do. Okay, so maybe that is why you are guarded. You are not also showing your complete self, and there is something in you, there is something in your, it can be your past hurts, it can be something, but there is something negative within you which needs to be corrected or sorted out, whatever this is. And you are trying to look for solutions within you, you are trying to find the answers within you, and this is very good. Okay, and this is what you actually need to do. If you're not doing it, do it. But what I feel is that you are trying to find answers within. So how to correct this situation? Because here we have the Ace of Wands, because you want this new beginning. You want, we have the Ace of Swords and we have the Ace of Wands. So definitely, though you are guarded, or maybe you are dominating, or maybe you are rude or controlling, whatever. It can be that. So it can be that you are a little too straightforward, little too rude, too blunt, perhaps for the other person. That's what how they feel. It can be that. Okay, maybe that is your nature which you think you need to correct. Maybe you are too controlling, too obsessive, whatever it can be. What I feel is there is something which is uh, a little too blunt and straightforward, and sort of just cutting the other person off. It's something like that. But the thing is that you want a new beginning with this person, and that is why you are trying to look for answers within you, so that you can heal this thing and come out of this negativity, because you want this. So you are working on yourself. Basically, you are trying to solve this. You are working on yourself. At least you are wanting to work on yourself, and you are just looking for a way as to how you should rectify this negative aspect of yours, so that you can have a happy beginning with this person. It's a beautiful thing. I think this is the best thing which anyone can do. And over here we have the King of Pentacles, we have the Sun, and we have the Six of Wands. It's pretty good. So what I feel here is that this person is also, I think both of you are of either very good status, because we have many kings and the queens. So maybe both of you are financially and status wise in a very good position. It can be that. Otherwise, it is your nature which is like that, arrogant, dominating, but very much in control also. So it can be your nature, which is the nature of the kings and the queens, which you know that, which you know what is the nature of the king and the queen. But there are lots of king here, and in the outcome also we have the kings and the queens. So both of you are basically on the same page, whatever what it is. If it is status wise, then also, and if it is nature wise, then also. Okay. So but anyway, things are the King of Pentacles and the Sun and the Six of Wands. There's nothing to worry over. This person is pretty happy, victorious. They have things together, they have their shit together, everything is flourishing and happy. Even if they are closed off, what I don't think there is, maybe this is the reason that they have closed off, because of this certain behavior of yours. But as far as this person is concerned, they are pretty happy, and things will move forward. They are victorious, they are happy, they are looked up on high esteem by people, or maybe even you. Okay, and because you want a new beginning and they are also happy with you, it's not that they are not happy, but there is something which needs to be corrected in you, and that is what you are trying to correct also. And as I've told you, as the outcome, the Six of Pentacles, things needs to be balanced. And here there's the clarifiers. We have the King of Swords, we have the Four of Swords, and we have the Queen of Wands. So what I feel here is there's a lot of healing going on. You need to take a break over here. Need to take a break. Try to focus on the situation which needs to be corrected. So a lot of healing has come on your side. So I think that is what you are correcting, so that this balance can be restored in this relationship. And again we have the King of Swords and we have the Queen of Wands. So what I feel here is there is a lot of healing which is going on. So what I feel here is, once this healing is done, once you are able to look for these answers within and act on them, once you are able to deal with this inner negative psyche of yours, once you are able to correct it, I think things will be pretty okay. Things will be pretty okay. Things will be sorted out. Things will be balanced, and both of you will be able to take charge of the situation on the equal plane. That's what I feel. The only thing here is this thing needs to be sorted out. Otherwise, I don't think there is anything else to bother. Let's see what's the guidance from the universe. Slow down. Pause and allow things to unfold. Number 9 may be of some significance for you. What did I say? See, same thing. Healing. Slow down. Don't move in very fast. If you need to, that's what I said here. Some sort of a break is there. You need to take a break. Give time to yourself. Give time to yourself. Work on your inner psyche, whatever it is. If you are not able to understand a situation, give yourself that time. Heal yourself. Look for the answers within. Whatever this negative aspect is, it has to be corrected for this to flourish. It will flourish, but give it some time. Give it some time. Correct yourself. Heal yourself, and situations will be totally balanced. Capricorns, it's a beautiful thing. You are doing it. Just do it. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.